Hello, I'm Sky, a licensed Oriental medicine doctor. At this time today, I'm going to teach you acupuncture that can do when you have digestive problems. However, it is not a needle used in Oriental medicine clinics or a regular ballpoint pen like this. You don't have to pierce your skin and you don't have to go to hospital and pay for it. I know that when you have these symptoms, you just treat them with digestive medicines, etc. But there are some people who don't like medicines. If you continue to take your medication, you may not be able to fix what causes forever. Now you have a stomach problem. It's not that difficult to treat your stomach with Oriental medicines. I usually do 4 points as a set of treatments. In this video, I'll tell you only 2 points. It works very well. And then I do this way for convenience. When you have a digestive problem like the above, try it on the spot. If you think you have a stomach problem, try it once a day. It will definitely have a good effect. Then let's start the treatment. Place the ballpoint pen gently on the point shown in the video. And tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen toward the toenail, about 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3 are set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets, as shown. This point treatment is over. Next point. Place the ballpoint pen gently on this point and tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen toward 45 degrees the head. 1, 2, 3 are set. Turn the tip of the pen clockwise 9 sets as shown. This point treatment is also over. Now it is simple, isn't it? Sensitive people will feel something in about 10-20 minutes. This simple method has affected the body, which means it works, and is to control intestinal meridians, which is a problem. This is the Oriental medicine techniques that can treat any symptoms in this way. If you feel uncomfortable after treatment, or if the discomfort persists, you can do the opposite. Then you will go back to its original state. Don't worry and just do it. I hope today's method will help your healthy life. Please look forward to the next treatment video. If you haven't already pressed the subscribe, please do so now. Thank you.